Hi, in this module, we will learn how AI can help teachers create simulations, help in simplifying the confusing topics, and use storytelling to make the classroom events more engaging and effective. So when it comes to creating simulation, there are some steps which one needs to follow. First, ideate yourself. Ask what exactly you want this simulation to do. So for physics teachers, there will be a different kind of ideas. For chemistry teachers, the ideas are different. Or if you don't have any idea, you can also use AI to ideate. You can chat with AI, ki, I want to teach this topic. Can you help me think about what kind of simulations I make? You will get many examples, and then as a subject matter expert, you know better that which simulation will work better. Now after ideating, if you have chosen a topic, then you will move to the next part. So step 2 is, after talking to AI, you will have some different viewpoints. You may adopt some of the ideas given by AI, or maybe after reading to the main content, then you will finalize, okay, what exactly you want. Then you will go to AI, tell AI that I want to create a simulation of this topic. You will also attach the content so that the AI will provide you a very exact way in which you want. And you will ask AI for a front end code. So you do not need full-fledged coding knowledge, but just by using front end code you can create a simulation. So the code consists of front end, back end, database, but we are only interested in front end code. Now we have to move to an online compiler. One example I have pasted is codepen.io. Now we will paste our front end code in this compiler and run the simulation. Let's see how we'll do. In the meantime, I also want to share that sometimes the code will not be perfect. The simulations, what you want, is not what the AI is giving. So you have to refine your prompts. You have to give another prompt to get the exact code, to get the exact output, and then you will get a new code, paste again, run again. Let's see. Let's see and simulate. So for practice, we generally start with a very basic number line solar system topics. So let's start with a solar system topic. Because it's easy and it's needed, because it will help students to understand how this is happening. So this is the syntax of the prompt that you will give to your AI tool. It can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Copilot, any of your choice. Pause the video and read this prompt first, and then we will proceed. I hope you have read the prompt. So it talks about that I want to create an interactive simulation of this topic from this subject of this grade level. We are going very precise. But suppose if you don't know about the grade level, it's fine. The best thing is you have to provide the actual content on which you want this simulation. So this simulation must include clear visual representation, interactive controls. You want buttons, you want slider, you want this to be clicked. So if you have any particular idea, you can type that also. We want simple label and explanation as well, and smooth animation. And this is the keyword that you must include, is provide front end code. Let's see how we can generate this content. So suppose I want to create a simulation. So which is the topic? I want to create a simulation of solar system from subject geography of grade, I think it's grade 6. Now provide a front end code. Now what I can do, I have to tell that what should happen in this simulation. Solar system में क्या होना चाहिए? So either you can provide any PDF or you can provide in a written form. So let's say topic, now you can type topic. Now I have written this. The topic content you can read from this Wikipedia. Now I will go to this solar system. Now I have this Wikipedia. So this has all the detail how solar system looks, how it works. So I am going to paste this. So I have provided the content as well as the prompt. And let's see. Okay, so this is how it is providing me a code. By the time I should go to codepen.io. So here you can make your account since I have an account. Now here you can click on new pen. Now, so we have this code. So this is the button from where we can copy. Let's copy this code. Now here in HTML window or any of one of the window, you can just paste. Now here is an option of edit. Now you can give a name to your simulation, solar system course. So as you can see, this is moving, but here we have to do save first. So we have saved our code. यहाँ पे you will get this button which will help you open this in a new window. And as we will move to the next window, here we have our simulation. We can pause our animation. We can start, pause, and when we will click, it will give some facts. Uranus rotates around its sides. Jupiter is the largest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Start. But see, we don't have asteroid belt here. Now I will go again and prompt about it. So I have again prompted ki add asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and provide me a fresh code. So I got a fresh code. I will copy this. I will paste here again. Click on save, run again. So this time we also have asteroid belt. So that's why knowledge is needed. So this is how you have successfully created a solar system simulation. Now let's move to one more topic. Suppose we want a simulation on topic photoelectric effect. Now to create this, first of all I will get the content photoelectric effect, and again this will talk about photoelectric effect. I will copy this. I will go to ChatGPT and I have written this prompt. Create an interactive simulation topic of this topic, physics grade 11, and the topic content you can read from this Wikipedia. Now I got this code. Now what I have to do is go to codepen.io, create on new pen, paste your simulation, rename it as photoelectric effect, save here. After saving, here bottom you will get this button to move in a new window, and this is your simulation. Okay, so this is a metal surface. Start light. So the threshold frequency is 5, so electrons are emitted. So if we decrease the frequency, so there is no emission of electron, and if we increase this, there is emission of electron. So these were some examples that how you can use AI to create simulations. So you need a clarity that for which topic you want to create simulation, and also since you are the subject matter expert, you cannot trust these simulations blindly. You have to review before administering, before giving it to the students. You have an option to share, so you can share this code with your students so they can also play and learn. Let's see if you do not have this content, because what we have tried, that photoelectric effect, solar system, Wikipedia was available. But suppose you want to create a simulation on your own, it is your own idea. So let's see how we are going to do. So have a look. So I prompted कि I want to create a simulation of state of matter for grade 9 where students can learn about solid, liquid, gas. So can you give me some ideas of simulation? So I am talking with AI to get some ideas. So I got some ideas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I read all this and I found I want to make this simulation which is temperature control simulation. इसमें क्या था? Let's see. I wanted that if I can change the temperature, the particles should vibrate accordingly. So I have prompted again to provide me the front end code. So it has provided me this code. I did copy and paste. But what I found that the visuals were not clear. Now I got one more idea that I want one graph. So if I will change the temperature, there has to be one graph which also changes in sync. And I asked for a fresh code again. I got a new code. Now I thought to add one more feature कि when ice melts into water and water into vapor, this sync all the process at once, and I got a new code. So this is how you have to reiterate, this is how you have to refine your prompts in order to get the exact feature that you want. Now I have copied this code and pasted in codepen.io. Pasting here, it's states of matter, save, and let's see. So here is the container and a graph. So if I increase the temperature, you can see the molecules are vibrating, and now when it reaches to a level of boiling, it's happening at a very high speed. So this is how you can use AI to create simulations. I hope you are enjoying the course. See you in the next video where we will learn how to simplify the concepts.